Man, look here no man, Alkaline drop the merge, you know. Yeah man, with the album print on it, yo, the thing them sick. That one is disgusting, you understand? You don't know 1 meter facts for that. So people, I just go up and Google type in, you see me, Alkaline store, you see me, and go and go pre-order them. You see it, yeah man, you know things set. You see it, just click Alkaline store, you see everything. Click shop all, you see me? Yeah, so you don't know the Alkaline CD there. Yeah man, just click that man, you see me? You don't know, say, the fan pack one, you see me, I get a package there, so CD and teas, that are the first package, you see it? Yeah man, that's your first package, you see it? And then, you don't know, package 2, T, CD and teas, you see me? Yeah, you get your, that's the number 2 package, right? So 45, 47.99, you don't know. And you have package 3, you see me? You get the pullover and the CD $53. You don't know, you get pullover alone 46. You see me? Yeah, you get the album tees cover. You see me? You don't know that a black. You see 45 US. You see me? You know I see what I want people. So go over there and pre-order. Cause this sick, you know. Yeah man, I forget one of them man. Disgusting man, cause I have a jeans. Trust me, the jeans look like mobile jeans, so that's it. You do for that merge. I tell you people. See all that one here? Yeah, the comic, but it's tough. Tell the people, comic tough, you see it? Yeah man. So people, remember, go and go buy up the merch. Album soon dropping up people, so look out for that. Buying up on a credit card, debit card, everything. You see me? Cause I go shell down the place and make them know so you can come run boy. You see me? Yeah man. Masterpiece album I go drop. You see me? But people just go support. You don't know. 1 media facts. That is it.